We are plating this car for the first time since 2011. Move the cars and get some room for this Monte to get out of here. Truck's out of the way, El Camino's out of the way. Might be able to get past the Pontiac through the rear gate. Time for its debut. Actually, it's been out before, but time for its first legal debut. The Monte Carlo, sounding a little angry. And its Pontiac cousin, less angry, mellow, chill, content with life. Oh, Shetland, you'll have your moment right after we finish this drive. Well, we broke. So, I've got air, I've got fuel, and I have no spark. So therefore, we're not going to run. I took one spark plug out, grounded against the header, no spark there. Used my 12-volt ignition source for my carburetor over here for the choke. Plug that into the distributor in case for some reason I wasn't getting power to the distributor. Definitely getting power, no spark. Ignition control module, somehow the coil went bad, something. I don't know. All I know is I'm not going anywhere. I am gonna have to get a tow strap and a ride. I still love it. I still love this car. All right. We had to get the emergency Sam. And we're gonna tow strap it. It's only gonna go a few miles. What do you think, Sam?
Ayo, let's go.
Ayo, let's go.
So, got no spark, had to tow strap this bitch home, and we're gonna test it with a multimeter to see what's going on. So we're gonna pull this out to check the voltage from the pluggy plug that was in the distributor. Go in there like that. And sit and wait. Oh God, it's not gonna fall this thing.
You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Keys on. Voltage.
Okay, it's jumping like crazy. It's going between 12, now it's 0.7, 0.5.
You don't have a good connection.
Ring, ring.
Ring, ring.
Hello. Okay, now we're still jumping. We got nothing. Oh, there's something. 12.11.
Okay, I'm gonna try to crank, see if we still have voltage while we're cranking.
Is it in gear?
Nope.
We're at like 9.7.
Enough. I'm going to grab some spare parts off our 350 on the run stand.
This might be too big.
So I'm probably going to hijack the coil and the ignition control module. Right, Sam?
Totes.
Well, that's been on there forever.
Yeah.
Still fairly clean underneath, though.
Yeah.
That connector going to come off okay?
No.
It's been on there for a hot minute.
You can break it.
Do not break it.
Break it?
Don't break it.
Okay, got it.
Well, we're going to troubleshoot with this old coil. See if that gives us what we need. Just want to know if it works.
Lid. The lid. Oh, is there 3?
No.
There's 3.
Really?
There's one in the back, right here under my finger.
Oh, I thought there was 2.
Almost. There we go. Lid. Lid.
All right.
Gotta pluck them out.
Yep.
You got the needle noses?
I did not bring the needles.
Son of a bitch.
Yep, we'll need the needle nose. So one thing I'm noticing here, while she's going to get the needle nose, is my ground has loosened up right here. That could be the whole problem. Let me see if I can tighten that and see if that does anything for us. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippis. We practically have a state. So we're going to plug these wires back in now that that ground is tightened and see if that works.
A question.
What?
That don't want to clip no more.
So we tighten up that ground. I'm going to pop out the number 1 spark plug and just see if we have spark. And we'll go from there. Alright, just these wires then, or connectors.
Oh no. I can grab it from the back, right?
If it comes out.
Ready?
Yeah. No spark.
No spark. Okay.
No spark. Alright, well, let's continue. Let's see if we can get those wires in.
Okay, I got a question now.
Well, we didn't get all that recorded. We're gonna go ahead and pop this cap off. I'm assuming we can still, our coil is good, so it's probably the ignition control module. So we'll pull the cap off, we'll do all that. And then unplug the wires from that one. Tell you right now, I think I see a problem.
Yeah.
Isn't there supposed to be a little copper contactor right here?
In the other one there is.
Well, yeah, because that's supposed to be contacting those. Flip it over. That rotor spins around. It's supposed to be contacting these. And I sure as hell don't see it. See anything laying down inside there?
No, not on this side.
Oh.
Oh, you find it? Oh. Oh, would you look at that?
Well, that'll stop your car from running. That'll do it. Yay! Never seen that happen before. Ever. Oh, it broke.
Yeah, it's broke.
It's full out broke right there where the shiny metal is. That's crazy. The removal of the old broken rotor. That's not that's because it's broken. Dun, 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 dun. Gonna lose the shop if she can't fix the Monte. Gonna lose the shop.
We still have day jobs.
Added drama. Intensity. Intense music. Ba-dum,
I don't get paid enough for this.
ba-dum, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, 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 boom. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do.
I want a fucking raise.
Do-do. Nope, no raises.
Then I
Do.
quit.
You don't quit. Ah! You don't quit. You can't quit.
Bitch, fuck, I can't.
So, this would be why it's not working. It's just not going to get sparked that way. So we need to find this other piece. We need to find this piece of metal, and those are all probably in the distributor somewhere. But that'll do it. Alright, new rotor is going in. You're very vascular.
No, it's gonna work out. Alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Bolts are tight, wires in all the way, seated?
Wires in.
Alrighty, well,
Ground is in. Looking good.
let's toss her back on there. Make sure your hooky things are...
My hookies.
Yeah.
Thank you. All good on that side?
Yeah. Overconfidence, we're going to go ahead and put these 3 bolts back in and see if she cranks up, which she should. Right, Sam?
Absolutely.
Alright. Let's fire this sucker up, hopefully. We're confident enough to do it.
Did you put that spark plug back on?
Spark plug's back in.
Okay.
We definitely know that was the problem, so it should start. Give it a little gas. We did it. We did. Seal it with a crisp high 5. I think it's gonna die though.